If your soul longs for peace, you're about to discover pure serenity. Imagine standing atop a rolling hill, a gentle breeze whispering through the grass. The sun dips low, casting golden hues over a pristine lake below. Can you hear the soothing sounds of water lapping against the shore? Picture yourself walking along a winding path where every step brings you closer to nature's purest beauty. Hills that touch the sky and waters that reflect the heavens. This is where peace lives, where stress melts away. So, close your eyes, breathe deep, and let the serenity of hills and water wash over you. Discover the tranquility that nature offers, and find your own slice of paradise.